Lisa Armstrong has won planning permission for a pool, gym and summer house at her luxury West London mansion. The 45-year-old star's application to the council was approved this week despite furious complaints from neighbours. 3. Lisa Armstrong has won her fight to build a pool and gym at her £3.8 million MansionCredit, splash. 3. She bought the property after her divorce from Ant McPartlinCredit, PA, Press Association/PA Images. According to the council planning officer's report, they received 4 responses from neighbours with various complaints. These were increased risk of flooding, harm to biodiversity of the conservation area, loss of privacy, decreased outlook and light pollution, scale and massing of outbuildings would not be sympathetic to character of conservation area. Despite the objection, the Strictly makeup artist got the green light for 2 planning applications and 2 certificates of lawful development. This covers the construction of a timber summer house, another detached timber building to provide a gym, an adjacent timber deck, pergola, gazebo, swimming pool and pool pump room. As part of the conditions, the celebrity makeup artist has had to promise not to use the summer house or gym as a granny flat. The decision notice states, the pool pump house and summer house hereby permitted shall only be used for a purpose incidental to the enjoyment of the house described at the top of this decision letter and for no other purpose. For example, it may not be used as a self-contained dwelling or contain a bedroom, living room or other primary residential accommodation, nor may it be used for business purposes. It cited the reason as to protect neighbors' living conditions and the character of the area. The council were also satisfied that the summer house and gym would not result in overshadowing to the adjoining gardens and houses and would preserve their living conditions. Lisa purchased the 5-bedroom semi-detached property for £3.8 million in 2020, as part of her divorce deal from Ant. It also has 4 bathrooms and 2 cloakrooms. 3. Lisa spotted leaving Steph's packed lunch filming credit, splash.